In today's video, we're going to be graphing lines from equations. So in these problems, they're going to give us an equation in slope-intercept form. And what we have to do is use the numbers in that to graph our line. Now, remember in our slope-intercept form, we have the equation y equals mx plus b. So I am going to explain what each I'm going to explain what each of the letters mean. So this B means the y-intercept. It's where it hits, the line hits the y-axis on your graph. The M is your slope. It's your rise over run. So we know how to figure out slope. We know how to figure out the change in the y values over the change in the x values. So this number right here is going to determine where are we going to graph our next point on our line. So in this equation right here, turn this off, go back to, we have our B is -2. So on the y-axis, we click on -2. Now this right here tells me my rise over run. So my rise is 1 and my run to the right is 5. So I go up 1 to the right 5. And there's my line. Good. Oops. Erase this. All right, new problem. So in this equation, we have y equals -2/3 x plus 2. So we start at +2. So up from the y-axis, click. And then this one is down 2 to the right 3 since it's a negative slope. So you go down 2 to the right 3, click. There's our line. Okay, let's look at another one. All right, this one right here, I start at 3. So from the origin, you go up 3. Now this one doesn't have a number out in front. So when there's no number out in front, there is a 1 here. And I just don't go up 1. I have to go up 1 to the right 1 because 1 divided by 1 is 1. So when the slope here, there is no number here, you have to know that that's 1. You go up 1 and to the right 1. Okay, let's look at another one. One more. Right here. Okay. 2x minus 2. So I go start at the -2. So I go down 2. Click there. This one, 2. I go up 2 and then to the right 1. Right? It's 2. This 2 is 2 over 1. Because 2 over 1 is a fraction, is 2. And it's going up and to the right. It's a positive slope, so that's a good sign. And we submit that, and we get our answer. Good. All right, so again, the number at the end tells you where you start on your y-axis. The number in front of the variable, the x in front of the x, is your slope. It's your rise over run. It's telling you whether you're going up and to the right or down and to the right. All right, and then you're going to use those numbers to create your lines. So that's it for today's video. Good luck with these problems. Let me know if you guys have any questions.